Hello learners. So in this short video, I would like to show you how to sync the filters in the report. Okay, so you can see here I have two pages in the in Power BI reports: sales by region and sales by customer. Okay, so this page describes the total sales by region, by reason and year. Okay, by salesperson, target, and all these things. And the second page is having sales by customer details. Okay, and I have one filter here. This is the filter year by 2023, 24, 25. But this filter is not available in sales by customer. So what I wanted, first thing, I wanted this filter to be available in next page as well as, and also I wanted to get it sync as in, that means that if I select 2023, so if I go to this next page, 2023 is already been selected. I do not have to manually select it. So that is called these filters should be synced between the pages in Power BI. So that how we can do it. First, I have to first I have to go to view. Okay, if you go see, okay, sorry, not five. You go to the view, and here you can see on the top extreme right, you can see there is a sync slicer. Okay, option. Click on the sync slicer, and you can see this option is available, sync slicer. Okay, you can see here sync slicer, but there is nothing. It says select a slicer, so I need to select this. The moment I select this, these options are available. Okay, it has given me two pages, sales by region and sales by customer, these two pages I wanted to. So you can see there are two options, visible and syncing. Okay, for second page, you can see there is slicer is not available. You can see there is no slicer. I wanted the slicer to be visible as well as sync. Okay, so I again come back here and I want to here, so I need to check mark this and I need to check mark this as well. Okay, and I need to come back. That is the only thing that we can do it. Okay, here you can see now it is visible in the second page as well. Okay, let's test it. So if I go back to the first page and I selected 2024, okay, so the data is, and I go back to second page, so this 2024 will be already been selected. You can see 2024 is already been selected. If I click here in 2025, I come back to the 20 is already been selected. So that means this year slicer is being synced between these two pages. So I hope you like the video. Thank you.